This is Ian Priddey from the Retro Computer Shack. In this video I'll show you how to connect an Oric 1 or an Oric Atmos computer to a TV via the Scart input using my Oric powered Scart lead. The design of this Scart lead or powered Scart lead differs slightly from my other designs. The reason being is the Oric doesn't have a suitable voltage on the video output to use for the blanking signal on the Scart input, which switches the TV into RGB mode. So with this lead you plug the Oric power supply into the socket on the Scart lead, and then the power plug is used to plug into the back of the computer and power it. So let's connect everything up. Make sure the computer and the TV are switched off first. Plug the video in. Just note that the socket is upside down, it's usually the other way up, so just bear that in mind when you plug it in. Then plug the power plug into the power socket on the Oric, which just leaves the power socket where you plug the Oric power supply PSU in. So we'll plug the power in now. That's the Oric power supply, which is a 2.1 by 5.5 DC power plug with a 10mm barrel length. So we'll plug that. Let's bring that a bit closer. You can see that. So the Oric PSU, you plug your Oric power supply into there. And that should be all the connections we need on the computer. Now we need to just plug the other end of the Scart lead, the Scart plug, into your TV. Okay, I'll just switch that light out so we can see the TV a little bit better. So switch on the TV and select the Scart input. On this TV it's labelled EXT. Next, switch the Oric computer on, which I've just done. I'll just switch that light out so we can get a better picture. And that's the basic screen that the Oric boots to, so you can see you should get a nice clear white screen. I'm not going to bore you by loading the game up from tape for a few minutes, so I've already got another Oric preloaded with the game, so we'll just swap over to that one to give you an idea of the picture quality. You should get a nice clear colour picture, very steady. The colours on the screen at the moment look a little bit paler than they do on the TV. That's just because of the way the video interprets it. So let's press space, and you get sound as well. The sound comes from the Oric, it doesn't come from the computer because the Oric doesn't have a sound output, not without modifying it. So it should be as simple as that. So if you get any problems, click the links below the video on YouTube. I'll put some links to a troubleshooting guide, the Scart lead and some various other bits and pieces. So, well, that's about it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it useful.